Gusto mo ba magtinikling or maglechon pero hindi mo alam saan kukuha ng kawayan dito sa Korea? Well, dito pagkadami-dami. Pasyal tayo para makita nyo. This is Juknukwan. It's located in Damyeonggun, Jeollanam-do. The entrance fee is 3,000 won, and more details when you click on the description of this video. Juknukwan in Damyang is a bamboo forest cultivated by the town of Damyang. This bamboo forest, at approximately 160,000 square meters in size, was formed in May 2003. This is one of the places in Korea that has a beautiful and visually magnificent forest year-round. It is connected to this waterway where you can enjoy boat rides before entering the forest. With its various winding trails enclosed by endless thickets of towering green bamboo, Juknukwan isolates you in a place of serenity detached from the outside world. Juknukwan is truly amazing experience that everyone should experience at some point while in South Korea. Juknukwan has 8 walking paths: Good Luck Road, Meditation Road, Lover's Lane, Old Friends Trail, Old Memories Byway, Songginsan Trail. Did I pronounce it right? Philosopher's Road, and Scholars Road. There were statues and other various structures lining each road. There were plenty of seating areas too, lining the path to rest your legs and take in the scenery. And this is my favorite, the hammock, bamboo hammock. Magandang photo zone dito, kaya ito yung pinakamahaba na pila. Yes, pila. Anong akala nyo? Relax, relax lang. Well, you can also relax, of course. But pagdating sa mga videos and photo zones, you really have to, fall in line. But anyway, it's still relaxing. Especially pag aagahan ninyo kasi kukunti pa ang tao nun. You can really enjoy the quietness of the forest. At hindi kailangan pumila sa mga fun things like this. Oh yes, I'm definitely 50. Pinilit ko sa 40s, pero ayaw talaga. I'm really 50 now. Isa to sa mga maraming drama na shooting dito. In this part of the forest, there is also this caricature statue of King Gyeongmun, the 48th king of Korea during the Shilla dynasty. There is a Korean folklore that he had giant ears that flopped and drooped like a donkey's. I whispered him my wish, maybe he could make it come true. These man-made falls and these panda statues are located in Good Luck Road.
Buti pala, libo ba? Butas!
Nasenyasan ako na binivideo ako kaya ngumiti ako kahit pa natatakot ako sa butas. Let me fix my Dr. Martens before tayo bumaba. Madulas yung pababa kaya nanalayan ako ng sweet na ate. Pagbaba, may nakita rin kaming saging. O diba parang feeling Pinas lang. May kawayan at may saging. Katuwa lang. Kasi matagal na kami hindi nakita ng kawayan at saging. Marami rin mga tindahan ng mga bamboo products. At hindi dapat mawala sa listahan ang pagpila sa pagbili ng bamboo ice cream. Actually, hindi lang bamboo ice cream ang tinda nila. Iba-iba ang flavor. Pero syempre, dahil bumisita tayo sa bamboo theme park, dapat bamboo din ang kakainin natin na ice cream. Tingnan natin yung dispenser ng bamboo ice cream. Medyo sa una ang bagal, kaya binilisan ko yung video. Yan, bumilis na. Tapos ito yung mga iba't ibang flavor nila in close up. Yan, pwede kayong pumili kung ano yung gusto nyo. Kung ayaw nyo ng bamboo. Ibigay ko kay kay ate. Bugyan isa rin.
초코랑 포도야. 초코. 초코랑 포도. 초코도 섞였어? 아니, 포도 초코.
Papunta sa parking, meron kaming nakitang puno ng persimmons na hitik sa hinog na bunga. Yung building na yun is Bamboo Museum. Pag may time kayo, puntahan nyo. Kaya lang kami kasi hindi na namin umuwi dahil gagabihin na kami masyado. Thank you for watching Wandering Tiger.